So this is the American Chinese, right? So potentially I could be insulting 2 different cultures. Fantastic.
Wow. We'll enjoy it.
This isn't something that British people should say because it sounds weird. Peach cobbler. It sounds...
Cobbler.
Yeah.
I say you started this time, you didn't eat the chicken.
Right. Oh yeah, well, I hope this is like
Peach.
sweet because I love sweet, so this is gonna be a cup of tea.
I thought cobbler was like a made-up pudding from like Oliver Twist or something.
Oh, that's crazy. I thought this was like a hard pastry. It's like all squishy and shit. Oh my god.
Never heard of that in my life. Cobbler. It looks quite tasty, so.
See, apple crumble don't do that.
This kind of food looks like you close your eyes and eat it kind of food.
Ew, no, what?
Turn the lights off.
This is my favourite thing. This is definitely my favourite thing. This is so good. I'm gonna eat all of it.
What is that yellow thing?
The white.
No, the yellow, like a orange.
Peach.
Oh.
That is shocking. That should not be allowed to be served.
It's kind of making me feel a bit
The
sick.
aftertaste of
Yeah, it's making me feel a bit ill.
Tissue. Sorry. That is not for me.
I taste, what's this word for it? The one you put on the... Oh,
The one you put on
you
the
see,
thing.
I'm
Yeah,
losing the words. Cinnamon? Cinnamon, that's the word, cinnamon.
Well, it isn't crumble and it isn't apple, so it's not gonna taste like apple crumble.
This looks like a soggy version of the cornbread. Literally.
I'd have it like one day out of the 365 in a year.
I love it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it, everything.
Okay.
I'm definitely... Okay.
Yeah, thumbs up.
You don't seem happy about it though.
Cause I don't know.
Thumbs down.
This one probably like middle.
I think this is
middle
probably
one,
the
yeah.
most middle. Yeah.
Not my favorite.
Yeah.
This ain't getting no kind of rating, man.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no,
That
it
is dead.
doesn't even, no.
No ratings.
America, you should be ashamed of yourselves, and that is disgraceful.
I just want to say, whoever decided to put it in a glass, I don't know how to feel about it, but I'll give it a B for creativity.
I'm not liking that texture, mate.
Wanna go first or?
I'm vegetarian.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
It smells nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it though.
Really hot.
It looks crispy, this looks very oily. How do you feel?
I like how it smells.
Good chicken.
Oh, 10 minutes.
It's like possibly one of the deadest pieces of chicken I've ever eaten.
Standard 5 out of 10 chicken, I think. I mean, I'm gonna eat the rest of it, obviously.
Well,
I like the texture. The taste.
I don't want a second bite.
It's peng.
Nah, it's really good.
Flavours,
Got nothing
boy.
else to say, honestly.
Crap.
It takes too long to chew, man.
it does, exactly. Do you not see how hard it was to just break it through my mouth? I thought I was...
It's not tasty, but it's like a bad piece of chicken.
Nah. It's good, it's good.
I thought
feel like a
Very
pig, but
good.
it's so nice.
My favourite so far.
Yeah, like there's no crunch to it. There's no nothing to it, but maybe that's also fault of who cooked it. Maybe I don't know.
That really, really.
I like
sweet.
that.
You like that?
Yeah.
That's
Flavor-wise, I like it.
Would I eat it regularly? I eat it for
I mean, I've saved the
days.
Amazon rainforest, so now you know what I'm saying, but... yeah.
It got 10 on flavors, right? Texture. I won't eat this again.
I'll give it a middle thumb.
It's like...
Thumbs up. And a 10 out of 10.
Thumbs up for his opinion.
Yeah, thumbs up. Let's keep the positivity going.
Flavors get thumbs up. That's all you're getting.
It's alright. You know what I'm saying?
If you enjoyed the content, please click the logo and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms.